Hello, welcome back, you crafty beaches. I'm just joking. Where am I? Easter is my favorite holiday next to Thanksgiving. I love when the family comes together and they have big meals, and it's just my favorite. And the Easter eggs, the coloring them, the hiding them, the hunt, all of it. It's just so much fun. So this year, I'm pretty sure since everything else is canceled, we probably won't be gathered to have any kind of dinner or anything like that. And that's really sad because it's my favorite. But I decided to make one craft, which was pertaining sort of to the coronavirus, which if you've paid any attention, I live in Kentucky. I signed it as Andy. Well, I didn't really sign it, but I put like Andy, like he was saying it. He's our governor, and he's been like on TV every single day. He's done all these things, and so it's like everybody's all like, woo woo, Andy. So, I mean, I don't know if that would make sense to you, but the picture in itself will. So, anyway, plus I had a guest star today, so be sure that you watch all the way through because I had a pretty interesting little partner to come in today and help me. They ended up doing a fantastic craft. It was wonderful, and I will show that in the video before I start the actual craft part. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I'm still trying to get to my 500 subscribers so that I can do my giveaway. My giveaway includes a salt and pepper shaker and a butter dish that is Ray Dunn dupes and a $25 Dollar Tree gift card. If you haven't already seen that video talking about that, I'll link it in the description box below. And please be sure that you go follow my Facebook page as well. Or you can share your crafts too and just share how you're feeling or whatever, you know. But let's try to keep it positive. I don't want any negativity on the page, so let's do that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy it, and let's just get right to it. Here's a mirror from the Dollar Tree. They're small, but I wanted to make one look sort of like that. They're $65, and yeah, this is a much smaller scale, but I don't have a very big place anyway, so it worked out perfectly. So this is how I made this, and it's super easy. I have these burner covers from the Dollar Tree. I seen that picture that I just flashed up on the screen in a store that was $25, and I just wanted to make something that was similar to that. So I painted the back because I just didn't want Chef Louis showing. And then for the bucket, it also came from the Dollar Tree, and I just ripped the handle off. And I ended up painting the bucket too, just because I didn't want it to be shiny. And that's how I did that. here's our guest star today. He's very artistic. He's a wonderful little crafter. He showed up and wanted to do his very own Easter egg. And I think he just did a fantastic job. He done several different colors. It's very abstract. He knows his stuff. He knows what he's doing. And he knew what kind of look he wanted it to have, and he went for it. As you can look at the confidence on that face. He is very confident, and I was just so inspired by having him with me today. He did wonderful. It was just such a beautiful piece that he ended up making. Guys, obviously this canvas didn't come from the Dollar Tree because they don't have big ones like this. But it's what I was going to use, so that's what I had. And then I ripped it all off and to use just the frame, and I wanted it to look like it was stained, so I mixed some of that brown antique wax color in the Waverly Chalk paint with water just to give it that look. Then I printed out everybody welcome, and that was just on Word. I just chose different letters I liked and printed it. And so the way I transferred it was you scribble on the back, and then you flip it over, place it where you want it, and then you trace it. And then it leaves the outline on there for you to be able to trace over.